to American Bakery in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a summary recipe for raspberry streusel bars. I'm really looking forward to this, so let's get started. First of all, our ingredients. For the crust, half a cup or 125 grams of melted butter, a quarter cup or 50 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, a dash of salt, 1 cup or 125 grams of flour. For the filling, 3/4 cup or 240 grams of raspberry jam, 1 cup or 120 grams of fresh raspberries. For the streusel, half a cup or 45 grams of oats, 1/3 cup or 70 grams of brown sugar, a quarter teaspoon cinnamon, a quarter cup or 30 grams of flour, a quarter cup or 60 grams of cold butter. We start out mixing up the crust. Combine the 1 cup or 125 grams of flour with the vanilla, a quarter cup or 50 grams of sugar, and the dash of salt. Stir in the melted butter. Press the crust mixture into the bottom of a lined 8x8-inch baking pan. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. The crust should no longer look wet. Remove from heat, but you don't need to allow it to cool completely. Spoon the raspberry jam on top of the crust and spread as evenly as possible. Place fresh raspberries on top of the jam. Then mix up the streusel. Combine oats, brown sugar, cinnamon, and flour. Cut in the butter. Feel free to combine with your hands. Crumble the streusel topping on top of the raspberry filling. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Remove from the heat and allow to cool completely. Some people even prefer these chilled in the fridge. Lift them out with a parchment paper, cut them into small squares. These raspberry bars are a bit soft when not chilled, but they are so delicious. I think I ate half the pan by myself. They have multiple textures with a flaky crust, fruity filling, and crunchy topping. Can highly recommend. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.